Hey everybody, Kyle here from Black Mountain All-Terrain. We're really excited to be launching our new line of seat covers for the Kubota RTV line of vehicles. Today we'll be installing our seat covers on an RTV X1140. The seats on the 900, 1100, 1120 and 1140 are all the same in the front. And of course that the 1140 is the only one with a back seat. So we'll use this as our video to cover all of those vehicles. The installation is virtually identical between the front seats on all the vehicles, and then of course we'll have the installation of the rear seats as well.
Slide the cover around the seat adjustment slide bar of the seat. Position the seat cover over the seat by pulling on the fabric firmly. Position the zippers and pull them closed. Locate the webbing with the plastic buckle, clip it closed, and remove the slack.
Let's move on to the backrest. Give it a good tug and position the cover nicely on the cushion. Close it up and the zipper will be to the rear of the seat. Pull the cotter pins, rotate the seat forward, and slide it away from you. A couple of tips for you here. If you really want your covers to look nice, put some effort into fitting them onto the cushions, remembering that you're working with fabric and foam. Don't be afraid to tug on the fabric, and don't be afraid to push on the foam. Reinstall the seat cushion by lining up the pins of the bracket with the bracket on the vehicle. It may be a little tricky. And now insert your cotter pins and you're done with this step.
For the passenger seat back, use a 12mm wrench and remove all 4 bolts from the base of the seat support. Do not remove the cushion. Only remove the 4 bolts attaching the seat back to the frame of the vehicle. Slide the seat cover over the seat back, lining up the slots in the seat cover with the seat supports. The zipper should be on the bottom side of the seat back cushion. Zip the zipper closed. Reinstall the seat back to the vehicle using the 4 bolts.
So to close this out, I just want to say thanks for watching the video, and I want to let you know that everything that goes into our seat covers is 100% made in the USA. All the parts and components that go into our seat covers are made here in the US, and they're stitched together by American citizens here in Texas. Thanks for watching.